Hello viewers, Aslam Manzoor here. So in this lecture we are going to learn about chat widgets, and also we are going to discuss about some other stuff as well. If you are new to this video, so simply you can scroll my playlist and I have complete basic to advanced Go High Level training. So let me dive in video without wasting time and I will guide you step by step. So let me go to the site section, and in a site section we will go to the chat widget section because we are going to create a chat widget. Right now we have two test chat widget here, but I'm going to create a new one, and I will simply click on the create new one, and here we have three options. We have SMS email chat widgets, we have live chat widgets, we have WhatsApp chat widgets. Mostly we are going to use this live chat widgets, but for SMS emails you can use this one. But if you want to in futures, if you want to integrate with the chatbot and you want to train your chatbot, then recommended you can go with this one with the live chat. But if you want to do some manual communications with your customer, then you can go with this one. So for now I'm going with this SMS and email chat widgets. For now I just simply click on it, and here we have a chat widgets, and here we have three windows. I'm going to explain all things here, no worry about that. And I just put the name here, let's say test 01 chat. Okay, I'm just going to save it, and from here I will just place some. Here you can see I just place some customizations. For example, if you want to select this one, it's look like this, but if you want to select this minimalist without image, you can select this. So for now I'm going to select with this image. Here is this chat icons, and I just say I'm going to use this one for WhatsApp and for SMS, for whatever you want to select here. Even you can add custom your custom image here for the icons. For now I don't. Yes, I have some image. I will say that's my icon. Yeah, you see it's look like this, but you can select your own. It's up to you whatever you want to select. And here is we have some theme here, and you can put your color theme here. Here you can see these are basically theme here, and you can add your custom color here if you want to add here. And here is a few theme that you can use, and you can select with your websites as well. What's welcome message customer or your audience we are going to see. Here is your starter message. For example, I just minimize it, and you see here there, have you any question? These questions you can change it according to your requirement. And here we have some custom value, and it will be pick auto name from your, when submit the name, it will be auto pick the name as well. So that's and we have widgets customization here. For example, if you want to show widgets on the right bottom, just select this one, but if you want to say left top, just select this one. If you want to say right bottom, you can select this one. Left bottom, you can select this one. If you left middle, you can select this one. Left top, right top, you can select this one. Sorry, there's some misconfusion. You can understand, hopefully you can understand these arrows. And for this you can select this one. For now I'm going to giving these positions, and even you can add auto, it will be automatically adjust with the positions type. So here we have some intro messages. You can change message according to your requirement. You see, you have your questions, you can put your own questions, you enter your detail, and here you want to name, phone number, email, whatever you want to. Here just you want to select here what's information you want from the users. And if you want to change this text, just you can change this text. I will say submit info, and here we will redirect call to actions, but right now we are not going to redirect here. And here we have some powered by, you see there is a powered by leads flex. That's our website. And here we have submitting message when someone submit or detail. And here we have all knowledge base and all messages that will be appear here. And you see this message icon, we can change it a message icon. I will say this icon. You see, you can check this one, and even you can put here custom color as well. So right now I will say I'm going to use this one. It will be changed. And if you want to change language, for now they have these language, but they are working with the other language as well, like Arabic, Hindi, and other languages as well. So these are a customization of chat widget. And how you can integrate with your website, we have two options. We can, if your website on a WordPress, just simply click on it and get your WordPress data and install this plugin, and you can connect with them. Otherwise you can just simply get this code and you can copy paste code on your website header or footer. But if you want to add in this chat widget, add to an GHL, then it's too easy. Simply go back and I will go to the site. I will say I just go to the funnel and I will say that's that's a CTO's video. I will go to the setting and here you see chat widget, and we will add this chat widget to this funnel. So that's a super easy. And in the next video I will show you automation of this chat widget, and I will explain how it works for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want any GoHighLevel services, so simply go to the leadsflex.com and book your free consultation. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you each and everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.